Hey, what's up? I'm Fireblood here. So today it is coming. It's not the one that I ordered, but I will answer all of your questions about why is it the base one, not the max one that I order. Like I said, you might say that I'm a liar. I did order the M1 Max, so let's hear me out at the end of this video. So let's just not waste your time and just unboxing it. I'm really excited about it. So okay, oh man, it's so big, and my lens is an 85 and this one is a 12. So you kind of notice that I have two cameras right now. Okay, damn. I mean, this is my first time unboxing a really expensive laptop like this, especially the Apple laptop. Whew, damn, so clean. Okay, so let's do this. Whoa, damn. Oh man. Not bad. Not bad at all. So right away, you see the Apple logo right here. And damn, it looks much better than I expected. And it feels much robust than the other MacBooks. And it feels heavy. Really heavy. Okay, so let's put it aside first. I'm really trying to not break anything. Okay, so right here you get the usual like stuff, like how to use it and things like that. I'm trying to see the black logo sticker, right? The Apple logo sticker, black logo sticker. See, it is actually, when I see it in video, I thought it's a matte black, but it is not. It's just a normal sticker, or maybe it's different, like from US and things like that. And by the way, this laptop is not from US. It's a ZP model. It's from Hong Kong, I guess. Okay, so put it aside. Let's just not put it back together just yet. I'll put it up there. So right away, it's a three mount things. I don't really like this kind of mount, but you gotta use what you have, right? And this is the brick. It's not that big at all. I mean, or maybe it's not the 140. Let's just unbox it and let's just careful with it. And yep, it's the 140 watt power adapter. Not bad. And here is the MagSafe cable. So with this separate like cable and then the brick, it's really nice. So I gotta put it right here. Let's just assemble it back. No, let's just not assemble it back. So there it is. That's all you get from the MacBook. Okay, let's get to the MacBook Pro right here. The main character of the day. Whoa! I mean, the print MacBook Pro. Like, this is a real touch though. Like, it's look really great. I mean, whoa, damn. I'm really appreciate how they design it though. Wow, man. And it feel really solid. I mean, its weight and its size, the moment of truth. Whew, okay. Man, this is insane. Like, the HDMI is back, the Type-C, SD card reader, and over here we get the MagSafe. It's a 5-pin though. So you might have a question that is this MagSafe work with the last generation like the MagSafe 2? So it's not gonna work. By the look of it, I can guarantee that it's not gonna work. It's a new design, so it's not gonna work. Let's open it up. Man, this is crazy. Oh, and by the way, all of this video I will edit it on this MacBook. So let's just turn it on, please. Damn, the speaker sound really nice. Oh man, gosh, this is huge. Oh, it's load really fast. Oh man, the screen is just so nice. Oh my god. Damn. Actually, I can see the pixel right there. But you really need to get really close to really see it. So not a problem at all. The touchpad is really huge, and man, the keyboard is look nicer than in other people video. I mean, you gotta see it yourself. Maybe you can walk into an Apple store if you have one in your country, but I don't. Okay, so this is the 2014 MacBook Pro 13-inch, by the way, and this is the new M1 Pro. What's the difference? I kinda like both of them. I mean, it look quite fresh. I mean, it feels robust. It feels solid than this guy. I mean, they both feel solid. I mean, not to mention that this is 2014, and like from the side of it is like almost, oh, it's not almost the same. It's like this is like more thicker. I mean, Apple just throw away the slim design, and here we are, get the greatest, the best laptop that you can get. I mean, not for everyone that it is the best laptop, but it is the best laptop for me. So there you have it, the unboxing. I will get to you guys back about like how it is, how I feel, how I use it. I mean, experience, all of the experience that I use with it. And the screen is really nice. I mean, I really like it. I really like it a lot. So let's just talk about the M1 Max and the M1 Pro. Why I say I order the M1 Max, but the one I get is the M1 Pro. So the story starts from I myself go order with the agency. The agency start ordering it, and they didn't verify with me what they order. Even though I'm following up with them, they don't really want to show me like the receipt and things like that. I don't know what are they thinking, but that is a serious problem. And it's turned out when it's get here is the M1 Max with the 32 gigs of RAM and this 2 terabyte of SSD. I mean, it's not a big deal at all, right? I could just like get it and just use it, right? But the owner of that agency is just like too rude. I mean, he's quite a nice guy though, like when I'm chatting with him and things like that. But when the trouble get in front of his face, he just change immediately and things start getting heat really fast. So the solution that he offers is a full refund, and then I just go for the M1 Pro that everyone here has. This is the best option that I can get. So I split it to two budgets. One is for the new laptop, and the other one is for a new camera that you seeing through right here. So this is the A7C. So the budget that I had split into two. One is for my camera and one is for my laptop. So now that I upgrade to this, I need to sell these two, and I need to sell my PC right here. I need to sell this laptop too. I mean, I literally sell everything that I have right now. So tonight I gotta back up all of my file from here into here. And it's quite easy, nothing really that much in here. So there you have it. It's not the one that I really wanna get, but for now here I am with the M1 Pro, 16 gigs of RAM and 512 SSD. Okay, so thanks you for watching. I really appreciate that you guys coming back, if you coming back or maybe later. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed my channels yet, please go and do it. And if you like this video, please click the like button. So stay tuned for more video about this new 16-inch MacBook Pro. And yeah, that's all I could say right now. And I will see you guys in the next video.